Hello everyone, myself Kanchan Sinha. Today I am going to discuss the topic biodiversity and its type. Contents of the topics are what do you mean by biodiversity, types of biodiversity, conservation of biodiversity, its threats, and what is the position of biodiversity in India. The term biodiversity was first coined by Walter Giroson in 1986. The word biodiversity originates from Greek word bios, means life, and Latin words diversities. The whole word biodiversity generally therefore means variety of life. It is a degree of variation of life. It measures of the variety of organisms present in different ecosystems. There are three types of biodiversity: species biodiversity, genetic biodiversity, and ecosystem biodiversity. This figure shows the type of biodiversity. Species biodiversity is the effective number of different species that are represented in a collection of individuals. Genetic biodiversity is the level of biodiversity refers to the total number of genetic characteristics in the genetic makeup of a species. Ecosystem or habitat biodiversity. Ecosystem is the structure and functional unit of biosphere. Ecosystem diversity refers to the diversity of a place at the level of ecosystem. The term differs from diversity, which refers to variation in species rather than ecosystem. Benefits of biodiversity. First benefit is consumptive value, another is non-consumptive value. Under consumptive value, we include food, fuel, medicine, better crop varieties, and industrial material. Under non-consumptive value, it is recreation, educational research, and traditional value. Threats to biodiversity, it is divided under two heads: natural causes and anthropogenic causes. Under natural causes are narrow geographical area, low population, low breeding rate, and natural disaster. Under anthropogenic causes, pollution, hunting, global warming, climate change, and agriculture. Habitat destruction is the most important threat of biodiversity. Habitat destruction is primary cause of species extinction worldwide. Conservation of biodiversity can be done by biodiversity inventories, restoration of biodiversity, imparting environmental education, enacting, strengthening, and enforcing environmental legislation, population control, controlling urbanization, conserving biodiversity in protected habitat, etc. In situ biodiversity conservation includes sacred groves and lakes, biosphere reserves, terrestrial marine national parks, wildlife sanctuaries. Ex situ conservation includes sacred plant, home garden, seed bank, gene bank, botanical garden, zoological garden, aquarium, etc. This diagram shows the types of in situ and ex situ conservation. In India, biodiversity have the following position. The categories of the animals are mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibian, and freshwater. The number of Indian species of mammals is 386, birds 1219, reptiles 495, amphibians 207, freshwater fish 700. The threatened species in India of mammals is 41%, birds 7%, reptile 46%, amphibians 57%, and freshwater fishes 70%. There are two hotspots of biodiversity in India, the Western Ghats and the Eastern Himalayas. Western Ghats faced with tremendous population pressure. The forests of Western Ghats and Sri Lanka have been dramatically impacted by demand of agriculture and timber. Eastern Himalayas is the home to world's highest mountain, including Mount Everest. Abrupt rise in temperature of mountain result in diversity of ecosystem that range from alluvial grassland and subtropical broad level forests to alpine meadows. We can conclude that biodiversity in our life is very important. If biodiversity got lost at this rate, then in the near future, the survival of human being will be threatened. So it's our moral duty to conserve biodiversity as well as our environment. Thank you.